Okay, so I'm quickly and very briefly going to go over the basics of how to play Doggone Decimal. So I know they go over it if you have your volume on, but I think the directions you guys use a little bit confusing. So when you log into Everyday Math and go to Doggone Decimal, you do have a choice of playing versus the computer or with a partner. You are going to have two numbers and a decimal given to you, and two numbers and a decimal given to you. With those numbers, you're going to have to come up with two factors that you can multiply together and get the target number. So let's see what our target number is by clicking play, clicking on this collar. Our target number is 1. So that means we want our product to be in the ones place. So that can go from 1 to 10, or 1 to 9, excuse me, not 10, 1 to 9. So obviously 57 times 96 is not going to get us an answer in the ones place. So we're going to have to think about this and move things around. So if you think of 57, let's make it into 6, right? If we round that, that would be 6. And if I round this number, make it 6 and 9/10, that would be 7. Well, 6 times 7, that gets me 42. Is that estimate in the ones place? No. So I'm not going to want to use those numbers. So what if I leave this as 7, but then I change this to 57 hundredths? Remember, when we think of a half, right, I could round this. We could say this is a half, and this is 7. Half of 7 would be 3.5. That would be our estimate, right? So that means that 3.5, 3's in the ones place, so we should be good. So the next thing you need to do is write down this number model on your score sheet and then actually solve it. So remember, when you are solving decimal multiplication problems, you pretend the decimal's not there. You do 57 times 69, and you get 3,933. But then you have to put the decimal back in. Based off our estimate of a half times 7, we said the decimal should go after your ones place. So let's go ahead and type these in. You just have to rewrite them underneath here. And we're multiplying, I can't find my 6, 9, and it doesn't equal 3,933 because I got to put the decimal back in after my ones place. So it's 3 and 933 thousandths is my answer. Go ahead and click OK. And if you got it right, you're going to get 10 points. Now, also to keep in mind, you want to get it as close as you can to 1 because you get bonus points for that. Computer obviously got the bonus points, but hey, we got 10 points. Okay, so you're going to continue to do this. You'll go through 4 rounds. You'll get a new target number every single time. Make sure that you're writing down and showing all your work on that score sheet because you will be turning that in at the end of playing the game. Okay, so have fun and make sure you put the decimal in the right place.